Hi guys, it's Weeded, and I've drawn another Bird of Paradise. This time I'm going to be working in gouache. I'm not familiar with this. This is Arteza or Arteza. I think it's Arteza. I'm not sure. Gouache, and I've never used it before, but I wanted to try, and here I am off frame. There I go. I tried to move it back in, and I didn't realize the light was shining right down on the glass that I'm working on, so I apologize for that. I'm still struggling trying to get lighting worked out. Now this Bird of Paradise was a little bit different from the last one that I did, and I was really kind of surprised because they do seem to change color so much. So I'm working from a reference picture. Hey buddy, I've got Chester here with me. I'm working for a reference picture, and it really surprised me that the colors were so different from the last one that I did, and I found so much variety in the colors. And I guess as the flowers mature, or maybe there are different varieties of the Bird of Paradise, I really don't know. I do these simply because I'm sending to someone to something every month by snail mail, and they think that the Bird of Paradise is a dirty bird. That's what they call them. They used to have to clean up after the birds. Apparently they drop a lot of stuff. I don't know if it was petals or what, but I'm having a great time playing with them as I work anyway. This gouache was really nice, very vibrant, highly pigmented. Yes, maybe it's not. I have Holbein gouache and Holbein gouache that I was more familiar with, but it's kind of dear. I mean, it's artist quality. And there, if I hope I showed it. No, I'm off camera. Oh my gosh, I smeared that blue. You can see me trying to clear it up now, but I smeared the blue and had to go in when I was erasing. I don't know what I was thinking. I brushed my hand against the wet gouache. And so there I'm trying to cover up just a little bit of that goof. This gouache really worked quite well. So I was very pleasantly surprised with it. And for the price, I mean, it was less than $1 a tube. And I'm used to paying several dollars per tube, and by several I'm talking like 6 or more. So I was really happy with how well it worked. And there's something about the velvety matte finish on gouache that I have always loved. So I'm mixing colors there, and honestly I'm not trying to do a great fantastic work of art here. This is for a card. It's going directly on a card, and so it's quick. It probably took me maybe 45 minutes to do, and for a card, okay, that might be a little bit of a long time, but for a painting, that's incredibly short. So it's not done with the greatest detail, but it's fun. It's very, very fun, and I did enjoy it very much. I'm thinking that I may continue with this Bird of Paradise theme and do it in just all different kinds of mediums. The last one was color pencil. So here I am mixing the gouache. Again, when I mixed, of course I wasn't mixing colors to get mud because I was pretty much mixing analogous colors, but still they mixed beautifully and they worked well. I was able to get a lot of different shades out of each one, and I'm just kind of blocking that in on the petals because the tips appeared to be sort of a vibrant yellow, and they're a little bit see-through. They are transparent, the petals themselves, so you see a lot of color variation in each of those petals. And so I mixed up the colors and was trying to get that nice variety of color in each petal, and this gouache worked really, really well for this. This is not a sponsored video. I bought the gouache myself, was not sent to me, so I feel fine. My honest opinion is this is just a fantastic student grade gouache. I have no qualms. And I'm sorry that I'm working off camera again. I keep trying to get, I was zoomed in more than I realized, and I keep trying to get my work area, quote, worked out. And I'm not happy with the lighting. And apparently I need to do some adjustment because I keep working off camera, and I was actually making a conscious effort trying to stay on camera, so it was a little disappointing. The last part of the flower that I do is they're all connected by this whitish grayish part of the petal that they all come from, and I really didn't even want to put that in, but I did, and I just sort of blobbed it in and left it. I didn't want to blend it out. I didn't want to do anything to the petals because I was so happy with them. But you'll see what I did. It's not great. I need to work on that. And I'm having to dry it because I'm coming in with sort of a blue and a purple here. And I use the same colors. I keep all this variation in color is basically from the same few colors that I picked out to use. So, and I forgot where I was going. I really don't really have much brain here. I did this, last week, and it's just been sitting here, and I've been trying to get motivated to get over here and convert it and do the voiceover and upload it and edit it. So I have quite a few projects that I'm working on that I'm in the middle of filming, and that's what I meant. There's that little thing that they just come from. I didn't want to mess up my flowers, so I just sort of blobbed that in and went with it. And yeah, there's a lot more detailing I could have done, but I really kind of liked it, so I didn't fuss with this one too much. I think I'm adding just a little bit lighter blue to get some variation in there. And then I think I add some purple, add a little bit darker, and come in with that. Or maybe not. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing there. Oh yeah, I'm touching up that orange. So I'm still playing with those petals. This really was fun to do. I enjoyed the gouache very much. I had some that was in a pan set, and it's fun to use, but this is just nicer. This is much more vibrant. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.